baby lovers. So as a caterer, right, one of my challenges is knowing where to shop for fresh stuffs, for fresh items. It could be the raw material like my veggies, my tomato, and whatever. So a friend of mine told me about Makoko market, and she said is the best when it comes to shopping for fresh fish or anything pertaining to seafood. So we are going to take a drive down there, and then we are going to shop for fish. So I'm going to tell you how it is, and I'm going to show you the kind of fish or the kinds of seafood that they have there. So baby lovers, come on, let's go change. Get your boots, get your car keys, get your wallets. Let's go shopping for seafood. To the end of our fish market at Makoko, and I saw this sugar cane, baby lovers. I saw lots of people gathering here. I couldn't help myself. I just have one, and trust me, it was the sweetest sugar cane I've ever tasted in a long time. So we'll be moving to our next location. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for more interesting videos, and let me know which other markets you would like us to go, so we can give you a tour and a review on that.